this is very cute, small and adorable.
Easily drag something and then you change the expression on the robot. So it's super easy, super cute. And you can even program the machine learning and NLP programs with these kits. So and this, as a parent, I find it very affordable. So I'm super excited to show my son this and help him started with his AI and robotic journey.
Recent I've done this Quarky starter kit. I must say the teaching is amazing. Quarky being such a compact little device that it can do wonders. Very easy to code and control. I usually enjoy my free time learning and exploring with Quarky. Few to mention are the AI assistant bot, home automation, waste collector, self-driving car, and many more.
Aprendí robótica y a programar. ¿Qué están esperando conozcan?
It's so nice.
Analyzing cars. U-turn.
So as you saw, within you can create very simple projects and some complex projects like a line follower with the Quarky Arena too. So Quarky is an excellent opportunity for the activities like me to learn about AI and robotics.
Oh, è bellissimo!
And now my little kids keep driving that little robot all day.